Hey everyone, so I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a coffee date outfits plus makeup look with also me wearing no foundation. Today I'm working with Ondulations, and they're a company that sells 100% silk clothing, which I think is so pretty because a lot of the dresses are super gorgeous. I'm actually wearing one of the dresses right now. I'm going to be showing you 3 different outfits from them, including this one, and to me they're all really good coffee date pieces to wear and just really nice pieces for spring/summertime. I have 2 of the pieces on my bed right next to me actually, so we're gonna go through these. I'm also gonna put all the pieces down below for you guys to go ahead and check out, but they did come in these little cute bags with hearts on them. Also, because the items are a little bit more pricey because they are 100% silk, they do have little tags here that say do not remove, and that's just so that if you want to return one of the pieces, you're able to do that if this tag is still attached to it. So I think that's really nice because they do give you an option for returns. The video, I also want to say that I do have a code for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen right over here, but it's called Timalove25, and you're able to get 25% off your entire order plus free shipping. I'm gonna tell you guys again at the end of the video just as a reminder. We're gonna go through all these pieces. I think most of the pieces that I got from this website are in a size medium, just because I wanted to have more room for me specifically. Okay, so the red dress that I got, it has red lips and eyelashes on it, and also I guess this is a mascara wand, but it's like covered in them. So I think most of the pieces on the website mostly have really cool patterns and they're really colorful. So I picked this one specifically because I wanted a red frilly outfit for my trip and something that would be very loose and just comfortable to wear. I will say the pieces are definitely very comfortable. It's easy to move around in, and if it's really hot outside, it's not going to really get in the way of you sweating or just feeling like you want to change because it is very airy. This dress goes for $170. So again, it is silk, so the items are going to be a lot more pricey, but the 25% off at the end will definitely help off your entire order. But this is called the Georgina Ruffle Wrap Mini Dress Red Flare. It does come with a waist tie on the side. This is a mini length dress. It is 100% silk, as I said before, and it does come with short sleeves, which I think is very, very cute. I would probably wear this dress with a red lip. Okay, and then the next dress that I have is this really cute white silk dress. It's called the Cora Midi Dress, but it does also have the Ondulations tag on the inside, right, as you can see here. And this also does have short sleeves, but it also kind of has like a peplum thing kind of going on at the top, more of like a puff sleeve to it, which I think is really cute. This one is more see-through, but again, I have a tan colored leotard underneath all of my dresses that I'm wearing, so you can't really see anything. But this dress, because it is longer, it goes for $200, and it also does have a waist tie around the dress as well. There is yellow, green, and red in the pattern of it. I think that's really, really adorable. I do love this one. It's one of my favorites, and I don't have that many white dresses or white pieces in my closet at all. So I took a gamble and I was like, let me just try it out and see how I'm gonna like it and see if I don't stain the dress, because it's really, really pretty and I always end up staining all of my white pieces in my closet. So I hope that doesn't happen to me. And the last thing I have is this polka dot sleeveless wraparound dress. I think this color is more of like a pinky nude, in my opinion. At least for me it is. I feel like darker shades for me look more nude on me anyway. But I do like this a lot. I've always loved polka dots, anything. So I was really looking for that in a dress. Okay, so this piece is $190 on the website. It's called the Lovina Wrap Dress Rust Polka Dots. So I guess the color is rust in this case, which I think is very true to the description. For me, I'm on the shorter side, by the way. I'm 5'3", so that's why these dresses will probably be a lot longer than me than what looks like on the website. Yeah, I also got this in a size medium. Mauve tones, anything like that are what I usually use for my lip color, so I would definitely wear that with this dress as well. And I could definitely see me wearing a sun hat with this. Didn't want to choose everything with sleeves for this look, so that's why I picked it. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a coffee date inspired makeup look without using any foundation. And a lot of you guys have been asking me for a no makeup look for beginners. And specifically for this, I'm just not gonna use foundation in general because I do have a lot of skin texture going on here. My skin texture is always raised with foundation anyway, so I'm gonna see how I can do this without any of that. I've already prepped my skin, I've already washed it, all that good stuff I put in all of my serums, so I'm really good to go. I'm probably not gonna be talking in this portion of the video because I feel like last time you guys didn't like me explaining everything, so I'm gonna put all the products that I'm using on the screen here.
But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, go ahead and click the links below. And remember, I do have a code for you guys. It is Timalove25 down below. Go ahead and check it out. You can get 25% off of your entire order, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.